All right, so I'm going to give a quick review of this Sofacor 52-inch LED ceiling fan. I just installed it, just turned the power back on. The light comes on automatically when you engage the power, and you can see the remote here. I chose the medium length down rod. Here's the remote. So I'm going to activate the fan function. Let's see. It's finding its forward speed. It's actually putting out quite a bit of air just at low speed. Let's see, I'm going to turn it up. It's high here. Well, that's spinning up. There's the forward and reverse direction for the fan. I've got 3 different light colors here. So there's a very cold white, sort of a medium, and a much warmer light. Here's the light on off. I could probably position the antenna a little better in the canopy, but that's pretty good. There's on off, and if I hold it for 7 seconds, it becomes a dimmer. It's pretty quick dimming. And then there's everything on off, like the fan and everything on off there. Overall, like I said, this is my second of these fans to install. I've been pretty impressed with them, especially considering the price. I recommend these, and they have a great customer service available as well. My previous fan had a problem with the remote unit in the fan, and they sent me a replacement, no questions asked. So check them out.